SureSeal Qatar has proven record in specialized systems of repairing waterproofing by using TurboSeal injection system. TurboSeal is a single component, highly elastomeric polymer rubber infused with special adhesives. TurboSeal is used to repair water leaks in below-grade structures. Due to its superior flexibility, adhesiveness and self-sealing characteristics, TurboSeal is ideally suited for repairing and restoring damaged waterproofing membrane systems. TurboSeal injection system is applied by rotor or stator injection pump. TurboSeal is injected into leaking areas after drilling to the damaged waterproofing layer, restoring its integrity. TurboSeal's highlighted features are adhesive in wet conditions, active water leaks, and on surfaces with foreign materials. Partial bitterite composition. Remains as a flexible gel. Durable to vibration and continuous movement. One component. No mixing of chemicals, easy to apply, safe, easily stored and transported. High solids content, solvent-free, made from recycled materials. Durable. Chemically resistant, resistant to freeze or thaw cycling, dry or wet cycling. TurboSeal's highlighted benefits are ease of application and effectiveness. Seeks out leaks and stops them. Waterproofing is maintained. No loss of adhesion or separation. Cost-effective, reduce labor, save time, fewer mistakes in application. Non-toxic, non-flammable. Safe application. Effective in many different types of environments. Over the years of experience, SureSeal has developed effective and advanced methods to repair damaged waterproofing systems. TurboSeal injection is one of the most advanced techniques used to treat failed waterproofing systems effectively. TurboSeal, a flexible gel that bonds to any surface to create a self-healing, watertight membrane, repairs leaks in tunnels, underground garages, water tanks, septic tanks, concrete reinforced levees, subway tunnels, and other below-grade structures experiencing high-volume active water leakage or minimal water leakage. Areas of application include shrinkage cracks, moving joints, pipe penetrations, settlement cracks, construction joints, joints in precast concrete segments and expansion joints.